So the first contact with the microscope would be to test whether it's actually working. So for this we have implemented the acceptance test. You have to activate that over the app manager and then just set it here to show a navigation, press here. And what is happening here now when I press home is basically the stage is homing itself. You can judge that from while looking at the microscope itself. If it's successful, say yes. Currently there's no sensor in there telling us whether anything crashed. We'll change that in the future eventually. So you have to be the sensor telling us whether the microscope is actually working correctly. So you say yes. I think we'll just skip the other ones for now because we don't want to do that now. It takes quite some time. We can go over to testing the stage. In a short time there will be a little icon here showing you in which direction the stage has to move. Currently it's moving to the right. Now the stage moves up at slow speed. The stage would also move down essentially, so you can tell that here, all good. Can also move that here, but let's skip that for now. Lightning text is the same. Look at the microscope. If there is a little laser cover on it, you'll see that the laser is turning on. Same for the 488. The LED ring is fully turning on and off in green. Same for the LED. And then if all these tests are correct, you can go over to the camera test. Currently we have 3 cameras where one is actually working, the other one's not connected. So we say, okay, the white field is important, so yes. And so currently there's no light, so we basically turn it on over the what's called the joystick. So we see an image, yes. You can also toggle the different illumination. So this is now a laser, and you can try that out. And then if you want to play with the exposure time, these are settings that should work. So set that to some lower value, and then also no gain. Say yes, okay, that works. Now we can go over to something that is a bit more, let's say, mature. We enter a sample, where we may see something. So we use again the joystick to eventually bring that into focus. I do that now with the PS4 controller that is also connected to the PlayStation, to the ESP32. At one point we hopefully have an image here. And then this is a feature that we have to improve a little bit. We just run it. It goes through a step of going through several Z positions and then basically just tries to focus it. I think this one we have to improve a little bit. Say yes, and then you can generate the report. This I think is important for us. If some of the tests is failing, then we can investigate what's happening here. So you can download that, and then you have a little bit of a description how your microscope is behaving. So this is, for example, passing all the tests. Some of them are skipped, and if, for example, the microscope stage is moving the different direction, we can tell you which change has to be done to the configuration file. Hope that helps.